Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So I'm back again with another video, and this one is a Meesho haul. But before I get into the haul, I just wanted to give you guys the overall view of Meesho, because I think Meesho is a lot of people have opinions about Meesho. A lot of people shop from Meesho. A lot of people, I think, really think before shopping from Meesho. So I'm gonna give you guys overall my review of Meesho. मैंने Meesho से 3 से 4 बार shopping की है, but I am still not sure about a lot of things when it comes to shopping from Meesho, but बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए it's really nice as well. So I'm going to give you guys my overall review of Meesho, how it works and how I actually decide to shop from Meesho. So first things first, Meesho for me initially it was really like I have never shopped from Meesho, and मैं बहुत particular when it's shopping online. I've said that quite some time कि मैं online shopping, I'm not a big fan of online shopping. I wasn't, now I am. But around my marriage, like शादी के time पर, I was not that big fan of shopping online and all that stuff. And thanks to my husband, now I am. And now he's tired of seeing parcels every other day. It is him who made me shop online. So basically, yeah. And Meesho is something जो मैंने अभी अभी recently discover किया, was I was very particular when I shop online, because मुझे quality का बहुत problem रहता है. Like I want something that gives like good quality and उतना worth हो product. I have seen Meesho gives a lot of good pricing. The price wise Meesho बहुत सस्ता है, but then I don't want to go for something that is cheap and the quality is also not that good. So that is the only reason मैं Meesho से थोड़ा सा दूर रहती थी. But I think last year around Eid मैंने decide किया कि let's shop from Meesho, and I started with accessories like jewelry. And jewelry is also something that I am little particular jewelry, but मैं with time मैंने समझ लिया कि मैं jewelry like the Indian authentic jewelry जो होती है once in a year या twice in a year पहनती है, because we don't have that much of functions coming up at home. Most probably it's Eid जो साल में 2 बार होती है, और किसी के घर जा दावत हो or something like that, तो 3 4 बार heavy jewelry पहनने में आती है, like the Indian proper jewelry. And that is the reason I decided to shop from Meesho, because I felt Meesho had really good price, but I wasn't sure about the quality of the product. So मैंने एक short दिया, and I just thought let's go for it. And I went and I shopped, and I was quite okay with the quality of the product that they were giving and the price they were giving it. I just felt कि यार इतने प्राइस में जब लोग ये दे रहे हैं, and I'm not going to use it. So what I decided is, if I'm taking something that is expensive, use 3 to 4 times in a year, and then वो ऐसे ही पड़ा है, and then you cannot reuse a lot of things. Like अगर मैंने ईद पे ये ईयरिंग पहने, नेक्स्ट ईयर में वो सेम ईयरिंग ईद पर नहीं पहनूंगी, राइट? So उसका यूजेज भी like 3 to 4 times. So investing that much amount of money in something and then leaving it and not using it, I just felt like not a great deal. Then I ended up taking from Meesho, and I was really happy with the jewelry that Meesho gave, because price was really nice, and मैं ज़्यादा पहनती भी नहीं थी, तो I was like अगर मैं इसको यूज़ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, I can give it to someone else, like maid or someone, मेरा हो गया अगर यूज़ करके 4 से 5 बार. So that's the reason I decided to shop from Meesho. So for me, jewelry 7 on 10 for Meesho. It really depends what is your choice and what is your preference. If you want something of really good quality, just say you can wear it daily, आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ मीशो इज़ फॉर दैट और नॉट. बट अगर ऐसी कोई हैवी ज्वेलरी लेना है जो 2 से 4 बार पहनना है विद दैट, then Meesho is the place to shop for. So that's jewelry for me. That is the first thing that I shopped, and that's when I decided I can go ahead and take few other things also. I'm not sure if Meesho is good for clothes, because I'm very particular about clothes, the fabrics and all that stuff. So मैंने कभी वो नहीं शॉप किया है. I have never shopped like makeup product from Meesho. I'm not sure if they have that or not. But one thing that I know that Meesho is really good for is like home essentials, like कोई भी ऐसे products घर के जो you can use it like multi ways, that it is good for. I have recently shopped few kitchen essentials and all that stuff, so that you can go for. So basically, whenever you go and shop from Meesho, just see the review, pictures देख लो and all that stuff, so you can understand कि क्या quality of product you're gonna get. And good part about Meesho is they give you like no question asked refund and return, which is the best part, and that gave me the confidence that I can shop. तो मैं इसलिए उससे शॉप करती हूँ ना, अगर मुझे कोई चीज़ नहीं पसंद है मैं रिटर्न दे देती हूँ या एक्सचेंज करवा लेती हूँ, वट एवर इज कम्फर्टेबल आई डू दैट. इज द डिलीवरी इज like way different from what you get from Amazon and all that stuff. Amazon पे तुमको नेक्स्ट डे मिल जाती है, मीशो पे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, बट फ्यू थिंग्स इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. यू कैन गेट इन वीक और 10 days. बट देर आर थिंग्स जहाँ वो आपको डेट दे गए बट उससे हमेशा पहले ही पहुंच जाता है. लाइक इवन इफ दे गिव यू 1 week टाइम, 5 days में आ जाता है. But it's not going to be super quick like Amazon or something like that. But डिलीवरी चार्जेस भी नहीं है इतने मीशो पर, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड पार्ट. सो उसमें भी बहुत पैसे सेव हो जाते हैं. सो दैट्स द डिलीवरी पार्ट फॉर. नेक्स्ट इज द प्राइस. आई हैव सीन प्राइस डिफरेंस, लाइक ह्यूज प्राइस डिफरेंस ऑन मीशो. अगर एक चीज़ अमेजोन पे इतने की है तो दूसरी चीज़ मीशो पे डेफिनेटली सस्ती होगी. द रीज़न वाई, बिकॉज they don't charge commission. So Amazon take commission on all the products that the buyer sells, and Meesho पे commission as much as I know नहीं है. That is the reason you get things in low price. But again delivery और वो सब चीज़ों पे भी difference पड़ता है, and the quality of the products also. So always check on Amazon and check on Meesho. अगर same चीज़ same buyer sell कर रहा है but difference in price, you're getting 2-3 days का deal है, price में difference है, तो I think I'll go for Meesho. So agar if you have that much of time, so you can go for Meesho. So I going to talk about other options that you have on Meesho. So Meesho pe I would say you don't have a lot of options compared to other platform, but itne kam bhi nahi hote hai, but you have to go through it. And I think searching something on Meesho is little difficult comparatively Amazon ye sab par. And Amazon is something that agar tum wahan se buy karoge, get good quality, and you have that assurance. Meesho for me still ऐसा है कि chances है कि थोड़ा होगा, बट आई स्टिल टेक दैट चांस इफ आई कैन, मैं वो लेती हूँ एंड देन आई ऑर्डर. एंड गुड थिंग इज कि वो रिटर्न एंड एक्सचेंज हो जाता है, तो इट्स नॉट एन इशू. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर फॉर मी. ऑप्शंस कम हो जाते हैं मीशो में, बट वॉट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर, इफ दैट इज अवेलेबल देन गो फॉर मीशो, आई वुड सजेस्ट. So for me, Meesho is 7 on 10 overall, like around 6.5 to 7 on 10. Range अच्छी होती है compared to any other platform, but variety and options कम हो जाते हैं, shipping थोड़ा सा late हो जाता है. So overall it's 6.5 to 7 on 10, but it also depends on what category you're shopping from. I have done it in jewelry, I've done it in home decor, I've done it in those decoration items, वो सब भी अच्छा था. And then now I've shopped a lot of stuff which is like home related, like home essentials, वो भी अच्छा निकला. So these 4 categories I have shopped in, and I'm okay shopping from Meesho. ये 4 category में मैंने also forgot the packaging is not that great of Meesho. तो थोड़ी बहुत टाइम चीज़ें ऐसी आती है that you just feel not so happy, but अंदर damage नहीं होता usually. So yeah, so that's the first item from Meesho. I ordered these curtain wrap करने के लिए for home, and these are magnetic, if you can see. So basically you just wrap around your curtain and you put the magnet on. So ये मैंने actually online बहुत देखा है, and this is for I think 200 for a pair, which is a really good price I think. बाकी सारी जगह बहुत expensive है, especially these magnets one. ये actually local market में भी you also get it for the same price. मैंने town में देखा ये same चीज़, because we actually when I went for shopping for Ramzan, मैंने ये लेकर आई थी from town, which is, this is not magnetic, but this also works really well. This was again 200 for a pair, so same price range है for this and this. The only difference is this is magnetic. तो मैंने वहाँ से magnetic इसलिए नहीं लिया था because मैं ये order कर चुकी थी. So that's there. And also the quality of the magnet is really good. This was the only concern that I had, but this is quite strong. So yeah, that's there. Next that we have is, I told you guys थोड़ा बहुत decoration भी मैं order करती हूँ मीशो से, which is a really good price compared to Amazon या कहीं पर भी. So they kind of give you a really good price. तो मैंने ये रमज़ान मुबारक का पूरा डेकोर मतलब पूरा ऑर्डर किया था, एंड इट केम लिटिल लेट. मुझे मालूम था क्योंकि मैंने ऑर्डर भी लेट किया था, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, तो थोड़ा लेट था. आई थॉट मैं बीच में लगा दूंगी, बट आई डिडंट फील लाइक, तो मैंने लगाया ही नहीं. So this was I think around 150 or something. I'll put the price somewhere. So that's there. Few balloons as well. This one is for Eid. I'm quickly gonna open it up. So that's, I think it says happy birthday, but I have ordered specially for the balloons. So मैंने ये order किया है to decorate it Eid पर. So this came on time because I've ordered on time. मुझे मालूम था 4 से 5 दिन लगेंगे. So even this I got it at really good price. So that's there. These plates which I've ordered from Meesho, ये मैंने specially रमज़ान के लिए order किया था. I'm using it also. So this is basically made out of bamboo something. मैंने उसको पढ़ के order किया, but this feels really like plastic, and I am not super happy with the quality of this product. But the price was I think 250 plus something like that. Price wise it is okay, and I'm just thought कि मैं रमज़ान में use कर लेती हूँ, and then I might just give it to my maid or something. It says bamboo grass ka kuch, I think it's made out of. I'm gonna put the details here. So yeah, that's two, but this is a really good size, and if keeping it samosas and all that stuff is sabke liye bahut acha, and I'm using this in Ramzan. So that's there. I got this cute little plates from Meesho. ये मैंने Amazon पे भी देखा था. Amazon पे बहुत expensive था, but I think I got this at cheaper price, but quality wise it is not that great. So again, that's the small little. So this comes with this holder and cute little plates, heart shape में. मैंने Amazon पे थोड़ा सा expensive देखा था. Amazon पे भी it is of plastic only. Yeah, again, I'm not sure this is the bamboo one or it's a plastic, but I think these are really cute and I felt कि रमज़ान में ये बहुत यूज़ में आएगा, and in fact मैंने निकाला था when my parents came for iftar, तो मैंने ये निकाला था, and उसमें you can just keep little small things and it's really cute also. So मैंने इसको order किया. I'm gonna give like this again like 6 on 10. It's not bad, but I was not expecting like इतना ये plastic की होगा. But yeah, again the amount I paid for उसके लिए I think it's quite good. So that's there. That we have is a little bit of home decor. So basically ये मैं already online Instagram पे देख रही थी, and I don't know, suddenly I just thought कि Meesho पे search करके देखते हैं, and when I saw on Meesho it was available and मैंने order कर लिया. The price difference I'll tell you is like मैंने ये देखा था, it was for 1200 1300 rupees. These are wall stickers. You can see it's gonna be like this. So आप randomly individually निकलते, randomly you can stick it on the wall. So I've ordered these and these I got it for 100 rupees. So you can see a lot of price difference. For sure quality में difference है, but if you're someone you're okay with all this stuff कि थोड़ा सा quality में भी difference हो but price difference इतना ज़्यादा है, so I'm okay with this because I know this is like use it for long time. I'm just gonna use it for some time, like just to shoot or something like that. उस time पे I can use these wall stickers पीछे decorate करने को, and then I have to remove. Also this is a rented property, so when I'll be leaving I have to remove it, so I don't want to invest that much amount of money. मैं ready थी invest करने को, but when I found this I was like I can use this, and then while leaving I'll just remove the stickers, and then मुझे इतना बुरा नहीं लगेगा कि मेरे 1200 1300 रुपये वेस्ट हो गए. This is just in 100 rupees, so this is like really good for me. So next we have this huge box, and I was really shocked knowing the price of this, which was like I think 350 or something like that, and I was like how can they give this in 350 rupees. इसमें बहुत सारे options थे, but I really like this one, and there's so many options कि मैं इतना confused हो गया, I don't know which one to go for, and I decided to end up with this one. This is basically a stand. You can use it multi ways, and I wanted to keep it on the dining table, especially festive time pay, so Eid and all that stuff. I can use this. You can use it like this. Also, you can use it like this, so it's like a plate kind of a thing, and then you can put everything here, and that's how beautiful it is. Meesho पे home decor item, होम डेकोर की चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी मिलती है, एंड द क्वालिटी दे हैव गिवन इट्स सुपर्ब. सो 350 में ये मिलना इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. इवन इफ आई गो टाउन एंड वहाँ जाके भी मैं देखती हूँ तो इतने ऑप्शंस लाइक उधर इतने डिजाइन थे मीशो पर, एंड दिस वन इज जस्ट सुपर्ब एंड रियली अमेजिंग द क्वालिटी वाइज एंड एवरीथिंग. मैंने अभी तक यूज़ करने के लिए निकाला नहीं है बिकॉज मैंने ईद के लिए लिया है. So I'll be using this on Eid. So that's how beautiful it is. It's a good big decent size. You can keep a lot of things here, and later you can use it as a home decor. घर की कहीं पर भी आप रखोगे, it's still gonna look good even if you're not using it as dining table के centerpiece or something like that. You can keep it anywhere at your home. So that's there. Next and the last product is this one. ये इसमें मुझे डिलीवरी में इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ, आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम हुज एंड ये इतना लाइक कि किसके तरफ से इतना डिले हो गया, बिकॉज इट वॉज सपोज टू कम इन लाइक 4 to 5 days. इट केम इन 10 days. वो भी मुझे उन लोग को कॉल करके फॉलो अप लेना पड़ा कि वेयर इज माई पार्सल, बिकॉज इट इज शोइंग डिलीवर्ड बट इट वॉज नॉट डिलीवर्ड एट ऑल. आई मीन इट वॉज नॉट डिलीवर्ड, तो वैसे डिलीवर्ड दिखा रहा था, बट देन when I called up मीशो में कॉल करके बोला ये वो, तो it was sorted in 2 days, and after 2 days I got the delivery. So that's there. Again, this is the most expensive thing that I've got from Meesho, and इसके लिए भी मैं I was not sure being honest because quality of the product does matter इतना जब pay कर रहे हैं. So this is a cute little set that I've ordered. So you have this plate that you have, and that's the oops, and with that you have this cute little bowl, and this is set of two. So me मैंने मेरे और अल्तमश के लिए लिया है. So we have like bowls and 2 plates. So this is just a small little set, but this is so cute and the quality of this product is so good. This is expensive, but जितना पे किया उसके हिसाब से the quality is really nice because I've showed it to my mom and all that, and they also really like the quality. The only thing is they have set of two. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं है. If you want like 6 plates and 6 bowls वो नहीं है, but set of 2. So we normally have like pastas or soup उस सबके लिए this is really nice. So I've taken this. मैंने सोचा कि ईद पे भी I'll use this, and then later also I can use it. So that's there. So yeah, these are the things that I've shopped from Meesho. मैंने अपना review भी दे दिया and how the experience was overall. Overall, I'm quite happy, but whenever you shop, just check on the reviews and see the product. And best part is take no question asked wala delivery, so that becomes easy for you to exchange or return. This video I've given you guys overall my reviews. I hope I've not missed anything. If you have any question below, and I'll reply to you guys. Also, I'll if you want the link of any of the product, you can again comment down below. I'll give you guys the link of the product as well. The product that I have shown you guys, I've given you guys my genuine review, the details also, so that becomes easy for you guys to shop. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification so you don't miss any video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.